Hello, today I made a blinking LED using the 555 timer in Astable mode. In Astable mode, the 555 timer works as an oscillator where its output changes between low and high continuously. Let me explain it on the diagram. When the battery is connected, the capacitor C1 is not charged. That means pins 2 and 6 are low. That means that the output on pin 3 is high, which is always the opposite of pin 2 and 6. High on pin 3 disconnects discharge pin 7 from the ground. This means that C1 starts charging from the battery through R1 and R2. As soon as it is fully charged, the trigger and threshold pins 2 and 6 go high. That makes output pin 3 go low. When output is low, that connects the discharge pin 7 to the ground, discharging capacitor C1, which makes pins 2 and 6 go low. As you can see, we're back to the point where we started from. It is important to note that the high time of your LED depends upon the value of R1, R2, and C1. Using bigger R1, R2, or C1 will keep the LED high for longer. Also remember, if R1 is smaller than 1K, then while discharging, too much current from the capacitor and the battery will flow through the discharge pin 7 and will damage the 555 timer. Hope you learned something. Bye!